Welcome to Compare to Win. The best keyboard tray is probably one of the most underrated yet essential accessories for any desk setup, especially if you spend hours typing away, gaming, or working. It's designed to bring your keyboard and mouse closer to you, promoting a more ergonomic posture by allowing your arms to rest at a natural angle, thereby reducing strain on your wrists, shoulders, and neck. This simple addition can transform your workspace from a source of discomfort into a haven of productivity and comfort, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their daily computer experience and overall well-being. Number 5. Fellows Office Suite's Underdesk Keyboard Drawer. Tired of a cluttered desk? This keyboard drawer helps you reclaim your workspace by moving your keyboard and mouse off the desktop. It's designed to keep your work area tidy and efficient. Find your perfect typing position with ease. This unit offers 3 height adjustments, allowing you to customize it to your preferred work posture. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to ergonomic efficiency. Don't worry about fitting your keyboard. Its spacious platform accommodates even larger keyboards, up to 20 inches wide and 7.58 inches deep. The sturdy, impact-resistant tray is built to last. Setting it up is straightforward. You'll need 23.5 inches of width and 14.5 inches of depth under your desk for installation. Just ensure the area is clear of any obstructions for a smooth setup. Customize your setup further with flexible mouse placement. The mouse tray can be attached to either the right or left side of the keyboard tray, or conveniently stowed underneath. Adapt it to your workflow. What we like. This unit offers excellent adjustability with 3 height settings for personalized comfort. Its spacious platform accommodates most keyboards and includes an adaptable mouse tray. If you need a versatile setup that can grow with your ergonomic needs, this is a solid choice. What people say. The slides are on ball bearings and move easily. The little mouse tray can be easily moved to either side depending on whether you are a lefty or a righty. It includes a sliding mouse tray. Installation was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sliding action is smooth and it works well. Number 4. BONTEC KMT01 Underdesk Keyboard Tray. Before you buy, please ensure your desk has a flat, unobstructed underside. This tray is not compatible with desks that have curved edges or support beams underneath. Make sure you have at least 31.3 inches of width and 11.4 inches of depth available under your desk. This ensures it can slide out smoothly. Free up valuable desk space by placing your keyboard and mouse on this convenient tray. It helps reduce wrist strain and keeps your workspace tidy. Attach it securely to desks up to 1.97 inches thick using the included C-clamps. No tools or drilling are needed, and protective pads prevent scratches. The generous surface supports your keyboard and mouse with ease. It slides out smoothly for comfortable use and provides a stable, wobble-free experience. Ideal for offices, home workstations, and gaming setups. Enjoy an ergonomic and organized workspace. What we like. Enjoy a quick, no-drill installation with sturdy C-clamps that protect your desk surface. This tray maximizes your desk space with its smooth slide-out mechanism. If you're looking for an easy-to-install solution that frees up your desktop without damaging your furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to assemble and it slides in and out smooth. The tray feels solid and well-built, an aspect I believe is important for durability and stability, especially for heavy typing tasks. The sliding mechanism, which allows the tray to smoothly slide in and out from under the desk, functions perfectly, adding to the convenience and usability of this keyboard tray. Number 3. HUANUO Ergonomic Sliding Keyboard Tray. Introducing the HUANUO Underdesk Keyboard Tray, designed to enhance your workspace comfort and efficiency. This ergonomic solution helps you type with ease. It features a large 25x 9.84 surface, perfect for your keyboard, mouse, and accessories. A comfortable wrist rest is also included to reduce strain during long typing sessions. This tray offers full motion adjustability, allowing you to swivel it 180 degrees left or right and tilt it up or down for your ideal typing angle. Achieve better ergonomics with its 6.3 inches of height adjustment. You can easily switch between sitting and standing positions, promoting a healthier work posture. Reclaim your desktop space by storing your keyboard and mouse neatly underneath. When not in use, it slides away effortlessly, keeping your workspace tidy. Installation is straightforward with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. Please check the Underdesk clearance requirements before installation. What we like. Experience ultimate ergonomic freedom with 360-degree swivel and tilt adjustments, plus significant height adjustability. It even includes a wrist rest for added comfort. If you frequently change your working position or need precise angle control for maximum comfort, this offers unparalleled customization. What people say. Installation was easy. Took about 10 minutes. I just taped the template up under my desk where I wanted the tray to be installed, and we just installed the bracket over the template using it as a guide and then screwed the tray on, and that was it. It feels like it is made well, and I have no problem getting it to rotate to tilt to adjust height or slide back into the bracket. This works great on a straight or corner desk as long as you have the room to attach the bracket underneath. You only have to turn a small knob to adjust height and tilt. It goes side to side anytime. Number 2. VIVO Ergonomic Under-Table Keyboard and Mouse Tray, Mount, KB03B. Improve your typing experience with this ergonomic tray. It installs conveniently under your desk, providing comfortable angles for extended use. This spacious 25 by 10-inch tray accommodates most keyboards and mice. It slides smoothly on a dedicated track, ensuring ample space for your setup. Say goodbye to wrist soreness. With supportive padding, full rotation, and adjustable height, it promotes better posture and comfort. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary hardware included. Ensure your desk can support its 10 pounds weight for a stable, undermounted solution. If you have a height-adjustable desk, a spacer bracket, mount, spacer 01, sold separately, may be needed for proper installation over the frame. What we like. This tray is designed to enhance your posture and reduce wrist soreness with its ergonomic features. It offers full side-to-side rotation and height adjustment for optimal typing angles. If reducing physical strain during long work sessions is your priority, this model provides the ergonomic support you need. What people say. The melamine-coated wooden board tray is a good size. It will just fit a large keyboard and a mouse. The mechanism is easy enough to adjust and allows a lot of tilt closest edge down and a small amount of tilt the other way. Adjustment is assisted by a spring so it doesn't just flop when loosened. Tray slides out easily enough to click into a semi-locked position when fully extended. Table surface can be swiveled left and right freely but has the right amount of resistance to make it sturdy. Number 1. Mount It, adjustable keyboard tray with mouse platform. Tired of a cluttered desk? This ergonomic keyboard tray moves your keyboard and mouse off the desktop, maximizing your workspace. It slides out easily when you need it and tucks away neatly to keep your desk clutter-free. Experience seamless operation with its smooth steel ball-bearing glide tracks. This drawer slides in and out effortlessly, ensuring a clean and efficient workspace for your daily tasks. Achieve optimal comfort with 3 height adjustment levels. You can position your keyboard at the ideal height, minimizing strain on your wrists and arms during long typing sessions. Improve your posture and reduce the risk of repetitive stress injuries. It helps keep your keyboard and mouse at an optimal ergonomic height, promoting a healthier way to work. Personalize your setup with an adjustable mouse platform that can be mounted on either side. When not in use, it stows away neatly, saving valuable space. Whether you're setting up a home office, a gaming station, or a multitasking workstation, this tray is perfect for creating an organized and efficient environment. Enjoy peace of mind with responsive US-based customer support and a lifetime warranty. We ensure long-lasting reliability and satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. This keyboard tray offers a smooth sliding mechanism and an adjustable mouse platform for a personalized setup. Plus, it comes with US-based customer service and a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you value a clutter-free workspace, smooth operation, and long-term reliability, this is an excellent investment. What people say. Easy to install. Pulls out, pushes in very smoothly. Mouse pad slide-out extension is perfect for keeping everything together and close. The keyboard support area is fine and appears to be sturdy. I have an oversized gaming keyboard from CyberPower and it fits with room to spare. The quality of this tray is excellent. It's solid and seems strong. It slides easily on the ball-bearing rails, and the mouse pad pull-out seems strong. The height of the tray is adjustable, depending on the clearance you need for your keyboard. It has 3 height adjustments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.